Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a one brand tutorial on Maybelline. I'm also trying some new foundation from them, the SuperStay, as well as the Total Temptation. If you want to know how I got this look, then stay tuned. All right, I'm going to go ahead with the Baby Lips Dr. Rescue Maybelline. And I think they have different colors. This one's just a light pink one. And my lips are a little dry. I am going to go ahead and prime my skin with the Maybelline Baby Skin. Okay, they got the baby lips and they got the baby skin. Okay, and it's the Instant Pore Eraser. I love it because I do have little fine pores. They're not real big, but I do notice them. And it has a silicone type of filling. It's clear, but I just go ahead and smush it into the pores. Smush it. And I do go at the top as well. Okay, so the Total Temptation has a brow definer. I have a deep brown number 315. And I am going to go ahead and take care of these brows. It does have a little spoolie at the other end. It's so little, you see that? It's a little tiny spoolie. Must be able to get the hairs a little better. We'll see in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and comb the little hairs that I have. I like that it is little and it's defined. And this is the color. Oh, it kind of looks like the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Kind of. But the Maybelline one is a little different. So I'm going to go ahead and try to line my brow, and then I'm gonna actually use the same product to fill in. So here goes. It is a nice smooth consistency. It's not waxy. I like brown. So I'm outlining my brow first. Fill in. I'm gonna start at the edge first, and then go to the front by using little baby hairs, and as well as using the spoolie to flick up. I just want this to last. That's always my thing, because I have very oily T-zone area, and I do have a very oily brow area. I have no idea what that's about, but my brows get very oily towards the end of the day, and if it is not a good brow product that I have put down, them suckers will look like, you know how Ronald McDonald eyebrows look. That's how my stuff be looking. Not good looks, sis. Eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not necessarily twins. But I'm trying to get them to look like they're at least a little related. I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And so what I'm going to do is twist this up. This is in the color 260 Buff. And you're twisting your life. Oh, it's there. And so I'm going to put some on my definer brush, and this is my Sigma flat definer brush. I can no longer see the numbers, guys. I think it's 810. I apologize, but it is a definer brush. And I'm just going to define here my brows to give it a little shape. I know they do have more colors now in the Age Rewind. I just haven't been buying anything as far as concealer from Maybelline in a very long time. So I'm just using what I have. Blend that all in. This is what I'm talking about. I've already lost some product because it's very, it's too smooth. I need some grip, you know? Primer, I'm going to use the Painterly Paint Pot. I am cheating a little bit here because I don't have a primer from Maybelline, but I'm just putting this down to hopefully get this makeup shadow to pop. I am going to insert here the swatches for you guys. I hope they will be able to be shown on my eyelid, because the swatches were just a tad bit chalky. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. I think I'm gonna go ahead on the neutral side, and then I'm gonna probably using my corner here, some of the black. So they don't have names. There is not a mirror. This was only like $10. So I am going to go ahead with the first color. I'm going to do as a transition shade. I'm going to use this little peach color here, and I'm going to let that be my transition shade. There is a little fallout, as you can see, but that really doesn't bother me. I just want it to be pigmented. Okay, I can see you. I actually see it, guys. I actually see it. I was a little worried. Okay, we're gonna do a neutral look, but I'm gonna make it pop with some nice lashes. What I'm going to do is go in with that brown color here. And this is a Sigma brush, but I can no longer tell the color, the number of it. I apologize, guys, but you just want to go in with a more pointed brush. It's a lot of fallout. Oh Lord! And I'm gonna, you see that you can't even see what is going on with that brown. I no longer, the brown is gone. The brown is non-existent. I don't know what happened. They're not like really pigmented. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, I'm gonna go in with another very small pointed brush, and I'm gonna use the black in this palette. It's like a charcoal, and hopefully this is pigmented. I'm just going in the corner here. Okay, now that is pigmented. If they only could have all the colors in here pigmented. So I'm just taking this towards the edge here and bringing it up just a little bit. Gold. Let's just let you guys see. That's the gold. And then this is the silver color. I think I'll do the gold. I have to use your finger, and I'm gonna go in the middle. Now that looks okay. And I'm just tapping it in. I think if I would have used a brush, it wouldn't have hardly ever showed up. The eyeshadow palette could have been worse. Could have been worse. But I think it could have been better too. But then again, it's $10 and it's Maybelline. Maybelline does make some good products. So, we can't count them out. This is the SuperStay Full Coverage. And I have it in the color Coconut, only because I had Coconut in the SuperStay Better Skin. Now, the Better Skin is just basically your skin, but better. And there was a SuperStay as well, and that got that one in Coconut. And it says it's oil-free. But this one I heard is more like matte. So I was very intrigued to try this. Oh, okay. And it has a pump. Thank you so much for having a pump. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, and I'm going to go in with that. It kind of looks like the same color as the other Coconut, so I'm going to go in with that. Oh, okay. Ooh. Do y'all see the marks that are covered up? I was going to do a concealer and a corrector first, but I don't got to. Oh my God, the coverage is great. Y'all see that? Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh. And I think I did how many pumps? Maybe 2 pumps. Oh, I love it. Okay. See that? I had a mark right here from a nasty old pimple. It is gone. It's kind of flawless. It looks like some of my high-end foundations. I like it. I'm going to go in with the Total Temptations mascara. It says 85% more volume. Okay. It says 92% saw lengthening lashes, and 4 out of 5 love the lash look. And it's a fluffy, oh, I like the packaging. It's sleek, it's rounded, but it's like flat on this side. Can you see that? It's flat. That's cute. Oh, and there's the brush. And the color that I got, I think, was Black is Black. And I'm going to go ahead and, oh, it seems like it is grasping my lashes. The brush is not too big, not too small, and it's not too wet, because I do wear contacts, and that's the worst thing in the world when you're putting on mascara and then the makeup gets on your contacts, or it gets on your makeup on your eyelid that you just did. Oh my God, that's the worst thing in the world. Maybelline Master Graphic liner, and I got this color in black. It's just black. And I'm going to line my lids before I put on my lashes. So, and what I like about this, you can make your line thick or you can make it thin, because it has that diagonal type of pen. See? And then I'm gonna go in with my Ardell Mega Volumes. These are number 253. These are not Maybelline. I don't believe Maybelline has lashes. But if they did, I would try them. Callus eyelash glue. It's my favorite. I like using the end of the tweezers to help basically adhere the glue to my lashes, because it just able to stick, and then I do pinch once I know that it's finally adhering. I love that. Use the concealer that I do have, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Again, this guys, this is in 260 buff. I know they do have other Age Rewind colors now. This may not be a good match, but at the time this worked really well and I liked the color. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little covering up here. I do like the Age Rewind. It is nice. I do believe that they have some other concealers. If you guys know if they have other concealers, can you drop it down below for me? Let me know what's the name of the other concealers, because a lot of times I get my makeup, drugstore makeup from CVS, and sometimes my CVS's in this area do not have updated makeup. So I don't know unless I, go to Ulta, and sometimes, they don't have all the shades unless you look online. But you see, that's nice. Maybelline Fit Me 360. It's the matteless, poreless powder. I'm gonna just put a little bit of that on there. I don't have anything that's lighter, and this is actually my skin tone, but I just want to set that. Set this T-zone as well, because I get very oily. Dreamy Bouncy Blush in number 50. I've had this one for a while, from back in the day, and it is more of a creamy type of blush. 8 or 160, I apologize, but it's MAC and I love it. It's a great blush brush. And I'm going to just do the cheekbones here. You see, it's very pretty. I don't do a lot of cream blushes, but this one I like. See, that gives a little glow. The Maybelline Lash Discovery. This brush gets really into the very fine hairs of the bottom lash. I don't have a lot of lashes at the bottom, but these seem to get them all. The actual gold, and then they have the purple. I don't know what I made. I think I made an A. But I don't know. Try this one first to see if it shows up. I am using the Sephora Pro Contour Brush, number 79, but I do use it as my highlighting brush, and it does have quite a bit of fallout right there. And there it is. Let's see if you can see any of it. Okay, it's not bad actually. Can you see it? Actually, it's nice. This might be the only thing I like in this palette. Oh, that's so sad. I like that highlight. I like it. I do not have a Maybelline lip liner, so I'm gonna go over with my Sephora lip liner. It is in number 17. It's called Molasses. And I'm just gonna line my lips. It's more of a brown color. Sephora lip liners, they're very creamy. Maybelline number 305. It's more of a brownie color, and I'm gonna use that today. Do they have Maybelline sunspray? I'm not sure. What I will say is I do not really care for the palette. I do like the highlighter though. That's the only thing I like in this this actual eyeshadow palette. Their Master Chrome one, I mean, I already have one, so I most likely won't keep this. I am totally in love with their foundation. I will be keeping this for sure. It's full coverage. Hopefully it's gonna last all day. I do have to go to work at Sephora today, and hopefully it's gonna last. The brow pencil, I think is way too creamy for me being so oily, and it probably will not last. So that's a no for me. And the mascara, I do like it. So out of this collection, the keepers for me is this, and actually the foundation. That is about it. Everything else I already had that wasn't new or anything like that. But as far as the palette and the brows for the Total Temptation, no, I probably will be taking those back. But these are definitely MiaNichole approved. That being said, what did you guys think about this video? Did you try any of the Total Temptations from Maybelline? Did you try the new foundation? That foundation is bomb. I will see how this is gonna last. Tell me your thoughts, put them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.